Hi everyone, my name is Shivani and I'm a licensed immigration consultant based in Ontario, Canada, and I'm also the founder of Zeste Immigration Services Incorporation. Today in this video, we'll be talking about spousal open work permit. So if you're in Canada as a student or as a worker, then this video is right for you because with the help of the spousal open work permit, you will be able to call your spouse and dependents to Canada. So let's get started. The spousal open work permit is a valuable opportunity for individuals who wish to work in Canada while accompanying their spouse or partner on a study or work permit. This unique visa allows the holder to seek employment in Canada without the need of a specific job offer or LMIA. In this comprehensive guide, we will explore the various types of spousal open work permits, delve into the eligibility criteria for those interested in applying, and provide insights into the application process. Now let's look at the requirements. First, let's start with who can apply. So spouses or common law partners of foreign nationals authorized to work in Canada in high-skilled occupations, that means in tier 0, 1 to 3, can apply. Also, spouses and common law partners of foreign national authorized to work in low-skilled occupation, that means tier 4 or 5, can also apply. Well, this used not to be the case in the past, but under a temporary policy, this has now come into effect. Also, the spouse or common law partner who is the main applicant of a spousal or common law partner PR sponsorship may utilize this work permit option. Now, other than the people discussed before, there are a few more types of people who can apply for the spousal open work permit. And those are the spouses or common law partners of work permit holders who are economic class permit resident applicants or were nominated or selected by a province. And also the spouses or common law partners of the study permit holders can apply for the spousal open work permit. Now let's look at the application process. The application process for spousal open work permits is an intricate and important step to understand. Here's an overview of the general application process. Gather required documents. You'll need to collect essential documents including marriage certificates, proof of common law partnership, passports, and other documents relevant to your specific situation. Complete the application forms. Fill out the appropriate application forms, which may vary depending on your specific situation. Also, please do not forget to provide accurate information and ensure all necessary fields are completed. Next is biometrics and medical examinations. Depending on your case or specific situation, you may be required to provide biometric information or undergo a medical examination. Follow the instructions provided by the RCIC carefully on this. Application processing. The processing times for spousal open work permits can vary, so it's essential to check the current processing times on the RCIC website. Please be prepared for possible delays, especially during peak application periods. Interview or additional information request. In some cases, an interview or additional information may be requested. Ensure you respond promptly to any requests that you receive from the IRCC on this. Comply with the conditions. Upon receiving the open work permit, ensure that you adhere to the conditions specified in the work permit. Failure to do so may result in the revocation of your work permit. Now let's look at the generic document checklist for spousal open work permits. The very first document would be photos. Recent passport-sized photographs of the principal applicant, means the spouse or partner, and any dependent children. Ensure the photos meet the RCIC photo specifications. Next is proof of relationship. Marriage certificate or evidence of a common law partnership, such as joint bank accounts, utility bills, or any other supporting documents will be very helpful and required for the application. Next is passports. Copies of passport biodata pages for the principal applicant, means spouse or partner, or any dependent children. Make sure the passports are valid for the duration of proposed stay. Next is proof of financial support. Evidence of sufficient proof of funds must be demonstrated from both the applicant and the sponsoring spouse as well. This may include bank statements, employment letters, or any undertaking or financial support. Next is police clearance certificates, means PCC. Police clearance certificates are a police background check from each country where the principal applicant, means the spouse or partner, has lived or resided for 6 months or more since the age of 18 is required. Next is medical examination results. Proof of medical examination results if a medical examination is required. Follow the instructions provided by the IRCC on this. Additional documents if applicable. Now, depending on your specific circumstances, additional documents may be requested or required. Now, these can include letters of explanation, job offer letters, or any other relevant document to your situation. It is crucial to review the specific instructions and requirements for the type of spousal open work permit you're applying for. There may be country-specific requirements as well. Ensure that all documents are provided in correct format and are up to date. Failing to submit required documents or providing incomplete information can result in processing delays or even the rejection of your application. Before submitting your application, consider seeking legal advice or consulting with a qualified immigration professional, someone like us. This will help you ensure that your application is complete and meets all the necessary requirements. Spousal open work permits provide an excellent opportunity for couples to live and work together in Canada while the primary applicant pursues their studies, work, or permanent residency. The types of permits available cater to various situations, making it accessible to a broader range of individuals. To ensure successful application, it is crucial to understand the specific eligibility criteria associated with the type of open work permit you're applying for. Additionally, staying informed about changes in Canadian immigration policies and procedures is essential, as these can evolve over time. If you are eligible for a spousal open work permit, it can be a significant step in your journey to building a life in Canada with your loved one. So, what are you waiting for? Contact us today to get started with your visa application. So I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, then please do not forget to like, share, and subscribe. Hit the bell icon right there so that you get notified every single time I post a new video. Now, if you wish to talk about your immigration case or if you wish to discuss your immigration options, then feel free to contact us at www.zeste.ca or simply go to the description box of this video, click the link there and book an appointment with me or book a case assessment. And yes, I'll be more than happy to help you with your immigration options. Thank you so much, guys. Until next time.